Hi everybody, welcome to HobTech Cars. Today I'm going to do a how-to guide on fitting a strut brace to a Toyota Celica Gen7. This strut brace is a 2-point fixed strut brace. It's made from aluminium and it is adjustable. The first thing you want to do is to jack up your car if you have a car jack available to you. This takes the pressure off the bolts on the suspension and actually makes removing those suspension bolts in the top mount much easier. If you don't have a jack to hand, that's okay, but this step will make your life easier. Next, you just want to pop the trunk of the car and remove these 3 bolts on the top mount of the suspension. With that step done, you should be able to do a trial fitting of your strut brace. If it's an adjustable one like mine, you should be able to do some micro adjustments here by hand or with a 10mm socket to allow you to widen or narrow the strut brace. So now you should be at a point where you can fit the strut brace over the top mounts on the left side and the right side, and you just want to put those top mount screws back in and tighten them by hand. Next, take out your ratchet. I think that it was a 13mm for these top mount bolts, so you just want to tighten them in gradually, maybe by 2 or 3 twists. Make sure that you don't tighten up one side too much, because the other side then will be much harder to get in, so I'd recommend swapping over to the other top mount side, going back and forth in that fashion. In terms of torque applied, you don't want to put too much strength into this, maybe 70% of your body strength. So the end result should look something like this. The strut brace looks really nice, fits in very snugly. You should be able to get nearly full rotations on those 13mm top mount bolts so that your suspension is still nice and tight. And of course, take the car for a test drive after doing these steps. Make sure that there's no rattles or bangs or anything odd with the car. You should notice maybe a 20% tightening in the handling of the car, particularly around sharp corners at speed. For a few dollars, it's certainly worth the difference. If you liked the content today, please do remember to like, comment and subscribe, and keep an eye out for more videos coming from my channel soon. Thanks very much, take care, bye bye.